About to finish installing the lift, the SkyJacker lift. And with these two brackets and these two up front. These brackets didn't line up for shit up here, so we had to bolt these two all the way in and then kind of adjust it and re-drill these. They were like half of the hole off where the bolt was supposed to go through. And then these two up front, they did work out pretty good. Besides these shits not lining up, they are pretty beefy compared to the stock brackets. These are the stock brackets. As you can see, but it's pretty thick. We made that because on the old Ranger, it had it. I guess it would pull off of this front thing, cross member or whatever. And then, so right now we're just doing it. We're just making these rubber things for the coils because they're pretty messed up. The other side was about the same. And we also welded in the rear shock tabs or mounts or whatever. Not perfect. We had to clock it to the right side for this one and that one. We might redo. So that's it for now. I guess next is gonna be the front fenders and probably the front end going back on. And then we have to work on the engine and get the T5 tail housing out of the S10. This is what we did with the motor mount. So this is the right side and this is the left side. This is the left side and this is the right side. So this thing right here is exactly the same as this, pretty much. It measures the same from here to here with these little holes. So what we did is we cut the stud off of the left side and we welded it on exactly where the right side would be. Well, I guess sort of, and that's how we make two right mounts. So now we're gonna order two right mounts because it worked out for us. And then this is the stock hole, so we went half an inch back and half an inch up. And then on this side we just went an inch back. And the only problem we were having is that the drain plug for the rear sump on the oil pan was hitting on the stock bracket. Hopefully we don't have that clearance issue with this. Well, that's pretty much it for today.